Hey guys, what's up? थोड़ा सा motivation. Always remember, success is not final. Sky is the limit. Keep improving. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. Nobody decides the fate of the failure. And what is fail? First attempt in learning. So failure is not fatal. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to keep going that counts. So keep going. If you fail many times, just rise the next time. That's the simplest thing to do. Fail many times, but rise the next time. And ultimately, remember, you have to only hit the goal only once. Okay, so you may fail many times, but rise the next time. This is the true character of a person. तो भाई यही था और आई होप पढ़ाई लिखाई बहुत जोर शोर से चल रहा होगा मेरे स्टूडेंट्स का, मेरे बच्चों का. लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड येस, टुडे, टुमारो एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो, लास्ट 3 days are left for the discount offer to end. www.meplclasses.com. Just check out the courses, amazing discount offers are going on. Love you, bye bye.